Welcome to another insightful video where we delve into the pressing issues of our time. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today we are going to shed light on a huge environmental concern, paper waste, and how digital solutions can help reduce it. We'll also be sharing how digital alternatives can increase your workflow efficiencies, especially for office settings where paper waste is substantial. So stick around as we explore this and more. Did you know that in the United States, paper accounts for over 40% of municipal solid waste? That's a shocking 71.8 million tons per year. You might be surprised, but when you consider that Americans consume an average of 700 pounds of paper products per person per year, it starts to make sense. Paper is used everywhere. It's the go-to medium for office documents, books, advertising catalogs, magazines, and so much more. But the good news is, the digital age presents opportunities to reduce paper usage. According to the Climate Group, digital applications could replace up to 25% of paper consumption. Now let's talk about paper waste in offices. When you think of paper waste, the office is probably the first thing that comes to mind, and rightfully so. Estimates show that up to 70% of the total waste in offices is from paper products. Paper documents are still surprisingly common, despite the availability of digital alternatives. For instance, a typical paper document will be photocopied 19 times in its lifespan. Just think of the paper that could have been saved by scanning the document and securing a soft copy instead. So, what are the alternatives to using paper? Going digital is the best alternative. Not only are you saving trees, but you're also increasing your workflow efficiencies. Let's take work orders as an example. A work order is a document that gives details on a required activity. This document, if put on paper, will need to be forwarded multiple times throughout the whole process. Copies will be made, updated, reworked, and potentially reprinted. But what if the same work order was generated within a work order software, a digital solution? All work orders are viewable digitally and can be updated as well. There's no need for pens and paper. Some providers even have a mobile app, which means you can do all the work virtually anywhere, anytime. So, let's embrace the digital age and reduce our paper consumption for a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the environmental impact of paper waste and the benefits of digital solutions, particularly in office settings. Remember, going digital not only helps our environment, but also increases workflow efficiencies. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And don't forget to visit our website at upkeep.com to learn more about how we can help your business transition to a more sustainable future.